Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I have a kind of confession to tell you. I absolutely hate ironing. If there's anything that I don't like to do housework-wise, it is the ironing. So I went on Amazon and I was trying to look for a solution, and I found that they actually do the handheld steam irons. So I went and purchased myself one of these, and you know, they're very portable, they're very protective, and they're very powerful. So you literally just put some water in to, obviously it's for steam, and then you plug it in and off you go. So I purchased one from Amazon. And I'm going to show you the box now. So here it is. Here is my new friend that I'm going to be using to iron my clothes. I love the green colour, lovely apple green colour, and there it has some little highlight points about this steam iron, and I just hope that this all works. So it says on there it's got strong steam, it's a wrinkle buster, it's a persistent power, and it's safe and secure, it's ergonomically designed, and it's brand new heated. So yeah, we're going to be trying this out on two of the items that I have in my wardrobe, which are really creased. So yeah, and I'm going to show you the things that you get inside of the box. So what you do get is you get this heat resistant mitten, which is really handy. So we've got one of those in silver. You also get the lovely little pouch that it comes in. So I think that's really nice to keep it nice, compact, safe as well. And the device looks like this. And obviously this disconnects, so it comes in two pieces, and that's easy for storage. And this part is the part that you will fill up with water. And yeah, so that's in the top section here. I will show you that. And yes, it looks like this. And that's what you press. So I am really impressed. You get this really long cord. So that's going to be great. And I just cannot wait to use it. So without further ado, let's get on with this video. You can hear that, it's warming up, the steam is going, and it's green on that side. So I've got this in front of me. Actually, before we start, let me show you the creases. Okay, so this is the before. As you can see, all the creases there, all the creases down here. Yeah, so very creased, and even all the arms area is all creased. Right, okay, so just wanted you to get, because otherwise it's not going to be a great video if you don't see the befores, so you can't compare. So let's get on with it.
actually do this while you're standing upright. You do not have to get no ironing board out. You do not have to find a place to store an ironing board. You only, you know, there's sometimes where you get just a few creases, so you can just iron the bits that you need effortlessly just by plugging it in, a bit of water, and you're good to go. It didn't really take much time heating up. It can get a little bit hot. I understand the gloves now, it does get a little bit hot, but I think it's great. I mean, especially if it's just like you just want to do the arms and you just stand up, you just do the arms, done, go. I love the fact that you're standing up. You can literally hang your clothes over your wardrobe and do it. It's yeah, I think it's great. I think it's great for that. I'm impressed. I was not expecting that. I'm expecting it to go over it many times just to get the creases out. It kind of did that really great. Yeah, so I have another outfit. Okay, so this is how it looks now, and as you can see, I did all the arm area, and you can see there all the creases have gone from that area, and also on the top itself. I really like it. It was so easy, simple. So I got carried away with my steamer and I didn't do an outro, so we're a few hours later now, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed that quick video of me testing out my steam iron, handheld steam iron, and I'm going to leave a link down below for anybody that's interested. But I really like it. I prefer it to conventional ironing, and yeah, so I hope to see you all again for some more fabulous ideas. Bye.